Welcome back, folks. Check it out. It's a 2016 Ford F-150 Crew Cab Lariat Edition. Loaded 5.5 box, EcoBoost twin turbo, 4x4 factory trailer tow pack, factory leather, heated and cooled front seats, heated seats in the second row, power sliding window. Got the 20-inch chromes on her. She's dialed in with the Sony sound system, USB sync technology, backup cam trailer tow pack. Folks, this truck has 2 owners. It's been ridiculously serviced all throughout. All that's on the free Carfax available to you online for free, DasCleveland.com. Starting down payment on this truck, we're going to go as $1,595. Guaranteed credit approval, DasCleveland.com. 4 in stock right now.